Are you having issues finding inverted filter on TikTok? Let me show you how you can find it in less than a minute. Open your TikTok app. Um, at the bottom of the screen, switch from home to discover. And right now tap on search at the top of the screen and search for inverted filter. And if it doesn't show up for you, try to remove filter. Search just for inverted and it should pop up. So click on inverted. If you don't want to do this process all over again the next time you want to use this filter, add this filter to your favorites, and if you want to record a video right now with this filter, just tap on the camera button at the bottom of the screen, and the effect is now enabled and you can record your new video with this filter. If you need any other guide for TikTok app or any other social media, just comment below this video and I will try to publish that guide very soon for you. Have a nice day.